Have you ever wondered which coffee machine could truly transform your mornings? In today's video, we're diving into detailed Gevi Espresso machine reviews to see how each model delivers its own unique coffee experience. Whether you're searching for the best Gevi Espresso machine or just curious about what sets these machines apart, you'll find everything you need right here. And remember, links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below. Let's begin with the Gevi fully automatic espresso machine, a model designed for those who want the richness of espresso without the complexity of manual brewing. This machine operates at 15 bars of pressure, which is the sweet spot for extracting espresso that carries a thick, velvety creamer and a deep, aromatic flavour. What makes it stand out is its dual temperature control system. This ensures that the water used for brewing and the steam used for frothing milk are kept at optimal, separate temperatures so you can pull an espresso shot and then immediately froth milk without compromising quality. When you use this machine, you'll notice how seamless it feels. You press a button and within moments you're holding a cup that tastes like it came from a professional cafe. As you'll see in this Gevi Espresso machine review, it's built for consistency and ease. The built-in milk frother wand adds another layer of versatility. You can create silky microfoam for lattes or denser froth for cappuccinos, depending on your preference. The wand gives you control, so you can practice your latte art or simply enjoy the texture of perfectly steamed milk blending into your espresso. The beauty here is in the consistency. Every time you use it, you'll get the same balance of heat, texture, and taste. It's the kind of machine that makes you look forward to experimenting with different coffee drinks, from macchiatos to flat whites. Another benefit you'll appreciate is the ease of operation. The machine is designed to be intuitive, so you don't have to be an expert barista to get professional results. The straightforward controls make it simple to switch between brewing and steaming, and the compact design ensures it doesn't overwhelm your counter space. Yet despite its size, it delivers a coffeehouse-level experience. Imagine waking up and knowing that with just a few steps you can have a rich espresso or a creamy cappuccino without leaving home. Finally, the durability and thoughtful engineering of this machine mean it's built to handle daily use. The stainless steel elements and precise pressure system create a sense of reliability. You can expect it to perform consistently morning after morning. For anyone who values both convenience and quality, this fully automatic espresso machine feels like a bridge between simplicity and sophistication, giving you the best of both worlds. It's no surprise that in many Gevi coffee maker reviews, this model is highlighted for balancing automation with authentic flavour. Now moving on, let's take a look at the Gevi Compact Espresso machine, which is perfect if you want a smaller footprint without sacrificing performance. This model operates at a powerful 20 bars of pressure, which means you'll get an espresso with an even richer creamer and more intense flavour extraction. The higher pressure ensures that the oils and aromas from your coffee grounds are fully expressed, giving you that bold, cafe-like intensity in every shot. With its compact design, it's a great option if you have limited counter space, but still want a machine that delivers professional results at home. The inclusion of a milk frother makes it easy to go beyond espresso and enjoy cappuccinos, lattes, and even hot chocolate. The frother is designed to produce smooth, creamy foam that blends seamlessly with your coffee, creating drinks that feel indulgent. You'll find that this feature really expands your options, allowing you to experiment with different styles of milk-based beverages depending on your mood. It's not just about convenience, it's about unlocking variety in your daily coffee routine. Ease of use is another highlight of this compact model. The controls are intuitive, so you won't feel overwhelmed when you first start using it. The machine heats quickly, allowing you to go from craving to sipping in just a short time. That speed, paired with the consistent quality of the espresso shots, makes it a reliable companion for busy mornings when you still want to enjoy something special. Despite its smaller size, this espresso machine feels sturdy and capable. It's the kind of appliance that blends into your kitchen while still making a big impact on your daily coffee experience. You'll appreciate how it combines simplicity with performance, giving you the confidence that every cup will taste just right. For anyone comparing models, this one often comes up in Gevi Espresso machine comparison discussions as a compact yet powerful choice. Next, let's talk about the Gevi BrewOne premium pour-over coffee maker, which takes a completely different approach to brewing. This is a machine for those who love the artistry of pour-over coffee but want the precision and consistency of automation. With its fully adjustable settings, you can control every aspect of the brewing process: phase timing, coffee-to-water ratio, flow rate, RPM, and temperature. This means you can fine-tune your coffee to match your exact taste preferences, whether you prefer a brighter, fruit-forward cup or a deeper, more chocolatey flavor profile. The built-in precision scale, accurate to 0.1 grams, ensures that your coffee-to-water ratio is always spot on. This level of accuracy is what professional baristas rely on to create balanced, repeatable brews. Combined with the 60mm flat burr grinder offering 51 grind settings, you have complete control over extraction. You'll notice that the flavor clarity is remarkable. Each sip feels clean, nuanced, and tailored to your palate. It's a machine that invites you to explore coffee in a more mindful, experimental way, and it's often praised in detailed Gevi coffee maker reviews for its precision. Another feature you'll love is the ability to save and share recipes. Once you've dialed in a brew that you love, you can lock in those settings and recreate it consistently. This also means you can try recipes from others or share your own with friends, turning your coffee routine into a more social and creative experience. The flexibility to brew 1 to 4 cups makes it equally suited for solo mornings or when you're hosting guests. Visually and practically, the BrewOne is a centerpiece for any kitchen. Its sleek design pairs with its technical sophistication, making it as much a statement piece as it is a functional tool. When you use this machine, you're not just making coffee, you're engaging in a process that feels elevated, almost like practicing a craft. For anyone who values precision, customization, and the ritual of brewing, this machine offers a truly premium experience. It's also a great point of reference in any Gevi Espresso machine comparison, since it shows just how versatile the brand can be. Now shifting gears again, let's explore the Gevi programmable 10-cup grind and brew coffee maker, which is designed for convenience and versatility in a family or office setting. This machine combines grinding and brewing in one unit, letting you go from whole beans to a fresh pot of coffee without needing separate equipment. With its 8 grind settings, you can adjust the texture of your grounds from fine to coarse, tailoring the flavor intensity to your liking. The fact that you can also use pre-ground coffee adds flexibility, so you're never limited in your options. A programmable feature is a standout benefit. You can set it up the night before and wake up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, ready exactly when you need it. This simple detail transforms your mornings, giving you one less thing to think about while still ensuring you start your day with a fresh, flavorful cup. The machine can brew anywhere from 2 to 10 cups, making it adaptable for both solo use and larger households. You'll also appreciate the 3 strength options, mild, medium or strong, allowing you to customize each pot to your mood or to the preferences of the people you're serving. The pre-infusion function, which wets the grounds before brewing, enhances extraction and ensures a richer taste. This thoughtful detail brings out more of the bean's natural flavors and aromas, so every cup feels a little more special. The warming plate keeps your coffee hot for up to 2 hours, which is perfect if you like to enjoy multiple cups throughout the morning. The design is straightforward and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for daily use. When you use this machine, you'll feel the convenience of modern automation paired with the satisfaction of knowing your coffee is always fresh and tailored to your taste. It's often highlighted in Gevi coffee maker reviews as one of the most versatile options for households. Finally, let's take a look at the Gevi Dual Boiler Espresso machine, which is the closest you can get to having a professional barista setup in your own kitchen. The dual boiler design means you can brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously, maintaining perfect temperatures for both. This eliminates the wait time between pulling a shot and frothing milk, so you can craft drinks like lattes and cappuccinos with a smooth, uninterrupted flow. The boilers heat quickly, ready in under a minute, so you don't have to sacrifice speed for quality. The 20-bar pressure system and 58mm portafilter are professional-grade features that ensure optimal extraction. You'll notice that the espresso has a rich body, balanced acidity, and a thick creamer, just like you'd expect from a cafe. The pressure gauge is another valuable tool, giving you immediate feedback on your extraction process so you can fine-tune your technique. This level of control makes the experience both educational and rewarding, especially if you enjoy experimenting with different beans and grind sizes. What sets this machine apart is the built-in grinder, which means you don't need to purchase a separate unit. Once you've dialed in your preferred grind size, the grinder delivers consistent results, ensuring that each shot of espresso starts with fresh, evenly ground beans. This integration streamlines the process and helps preserve the aroma and flavour of your coffee. When you use the dual boiler machine, you feel like you're stepping into the role of barista in your own home. It's a machine that encourages creativity, whether you're perfecting your espresso shots or practicing latte art. The combination of speed, precision and consistency makes it a joy to use daily. For anyone researching Gevi Espresso machine reviews, this model stands out as one of the most advanced and professional choices. And that brings us to the end of our Gevi Espresso machine comparison. Each of these machines offers something unique, whether it's the precision of pour over, the convenience of grind and brew, or the full barista setup of a dual boiler. If you've been exploring Gevi Espresso machine reviews to figure out which one is right for you, I hope this helped give you clarity. Don't forget, links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and here's to making every cup of coffee an experience worth savouring.